how to play a video or motion photo in a picture on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up your picture gallery. In picture gallery, in the gallery here, open up a picture. Then you can see at the bottom here, it shows view motion photo. So tap on that to play the video. Now additionally, you can tap on the drop down at the top here to select rebound or slow-mo or motion photos off. Here, if I tap on slow-mo, you can play the video in slow-mo or slow motion. Okay, the other option is the rebound. So it's play back and forth, and back and forth in a loop. And this is the standard motion photo. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.